Hello, welcome to the course on microwave and antenna. In this lecture, we will learn about reflex klystron oscillator applications. It is well known that the high frequency and high power microwave systems require energy source to transmit signals. Almost every electronic device needs some source of signal generation circuit. The basic block to create signals is an oscillator. Hence, reflex klystron oscillator has applications in radars, satellite communication, TV transmitters, to name a few. Reflex klystrons were invented in 1930s and now replaced by semiconductor microwave oscillators in many applications. Major disadvantages of reflex klystron oscillators are huge size. The dimensions of klystrons can vary anywhere between 0.3 meters to 5 meters. In today's era of mobile devices like mobile phones, laptops, and IoT devices, it is impossible to put a klystron due to its size. Further, the mobile and IoT devices are low-powered devices. And klystrons cannot run on batteries.